stage. Please come up the stage. Mami Chris. The award are picture. Ay, sino ba? Siguro kahit isang judge na lang. Si Sir E? O si Sir Jess na lang. Okay, Sir Jess. The award are third placer. Our third placer who garnered an average score of 88, very close fight, 88.69. Where's your bet? Sino sa palagay nyo ang ating third placer? Candidate number? Ay, parang narinig ko kagad doon. Candidate number? Our third placer is none other than candidate number 1, Miss Pine Sarmiento. She will receive 10,000 pesos, bouquet of flowers, and a sash. Sir, yes, baliktad yung sash. Baliktad yung sash, sir. Si sir may sa baliktaran. Pakibaliktad na lang yun, sir. Salamat! Para maganda yung picture. Okay, photo off. It's fine, di pa ka. Thank you, Sir Jess. Next, to help you present an award from the judges also. Sir Ram, balik na. Sir Ram, thank you. Our second team, cash, bouquet of flowers, and 50,000 cold cash. Okay. Who do you think will be our second placer? Candidate number? Candidate number? Candidate number? Garnering an average score of 91.33. Our second placer is candidate number? Candidate number 4, Miss Sky Dion. Palakpakan naman natin si Sky. Okay, talaga yung mga judges talagang sanay na sanay sa baliktaran. Nakakaloka. Thank you, Sir Rob. Okay, this is the moment. Ayan na, teka, sino ba dito? Wait. Sir, who's your bet, sir? Sir Bobby, who's your bet po na manalo? Nakawait na. Okay. Garnering an average score of 96.5. Our Bikini Open 2025 champion here at Frenzy Hot Model KTV Bar is none other than candidate number. Teka. She will receive a bouquet of flowers, cash, and 20,000 pesos. And the lucky lady is candidate number 10 is Pauline. Thank you, ladies. Thank you for gracing the show. Hope to see you again next year. Congratulations. Okay, to help us, here's the award is Sir Frank and Daddy Paul. Go ahead. Better boy. Palakpakan natin ating mga winners for this year's competition. Picture. Ako sino gusto magpa-picture with the lovely ladies. Ay kumanin. Thank you, ladies, and that concludes our 2025 Bikini Open here at Frenzy Hot Models FHM. This has been your host, Beth. Maraming salamat sa pagkuha sa akin, Everett Management. Maraming salamat.